Welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. If you enjoy our recipes, remember to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free and helps us keep creating content like this. Today I'm showing you 3 easy puff pastry ideas that are perfect for any occasion. Cut the puff pastry using a large lid template. Keep the trimmings to use later. Using a pizza cutter, cut them into 8 pieces. For the sweet versions, layer the chocolate and fresh strawberries on the wider end of the pastry. Roll them up gently, making sure not to tighten them too much, and tuck the corner underneath to secure the shape. For the next pastry, slice a banana into medium thin pieces. This time, fill the pastry with chocolate, banana and strawberries, then repeat the same rolling process. Now nothing goes to waste. Quickly flatten the leftover pastry with a rolling pin, then use a knife to cut it into strips. Have fun and choose your own filling. For the savoury strips, I use 2 filling options, some with cheddar and dried basil, and others with just cheddar cheese. Remember, mozzarella works brilliantly too. Have fun! Give the strips a quick roll, brush them with egg wash, and that's it, straight in the oven they go. Dust the pastry pieces with powdered sugar or drizzle with melted chocolate. Serve the cheese rolls warm as a snack or an appetizer. Perfect for brunch, dessert or a pastry platter. These puff pastry treats are flaky, buttery and so easy to make. Perfect for dessert, snacks or sharing with friends. Let us know which one you prefer in the comments. Thanks for cooking with the Darlings today, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.